Okay, so what happened over here, guys? You can see when I'm right clicking on project. Okay, let's go again back. Problem is not okay. I'm going to click on the project one. Right click over here, new, and after what happened, I want to make one HTML file. Okay, so this is HTML file automatically without we are saying where I want to make it is going where inside of your web app, and after give to the your file name. So I'm using over here file name index.html. Okay, so HTML index means what? Whenever we are installing anything or whenever you are deploying anything on the server exactly taking first HTML file. Oh, sorry, servers are taking first index file. Okay, if you already work in the GoDaddy or if you already work in the hostinger, okay, that are the server providers, means a domain provider, hosting provider. In that, what happen whenever you are using that file? I forgot that what exactly are saying file. A file means where we are exactly the handling file request and that one. Okay, so what happened there whenever we are putting that, then what happened, we are using first file that is called index.html. If you don't have the index.html, then what happened now, your project will be a first file means first page will be not opening this one, and means what, it's not opening anything. Or else we have to the another solution also, you can set by your means you can set the path also which file you want to open. Okay, so by default right now we are writing over here index.html, say next. Okay, obviously you are using html5 is the latest one. Okay, and just say to the finish. Okay, now see over here index.html is ready, this is your html is ready, and only I'm adding to the one code that is called h1 tag because we just want to be a check, right? Okay, let me write over here. It's not like your VS Code, guys, it's taking time to write h1 tag. Okay, and I'm saying this, oh sorry, by mistakenly I wrote inside of that. Over here I want to go to the middle. This is my project. Control S save. See, right now I didn't done the control S save, so star is there. If you're doing control S save, now you can see star is not there, means my file is saved. Right now just go to the over here your project, right click on the project and say run as a, where, run on a server. Okay, let's click over here, run on the server. I want to choose over here Tomcat 9. You can see Tomcat V9 support J2EE 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, J2EE. All our J2EE architecture are supported. Just say to the next. After see my project is already configured. If suppose project here is this side, click over here. Say add. Then your project will be coming to the over here. Okay. Now just say to the finish and say restart to the server. Now I'm just saying, okay, my server will be a restart and it will be automatically opening in my Chrome browser. Let's check. You can see project is work perfectly. Are you getting or not? Simple. This is exactly your project is done. Right now, guys, it's not only we need to one page. We need to use inside of the JSP, Servlets, and HTML. Even you can use to the CSS also. Even let me tell, if you want to use to the PHP also, we can use to the PHP too. Okay, let me stop to the video.